I have an idea. My Christmas leggings! Hi guys, I just want to get on my channel real quick and talk to you guys about not waiting for the right time. I know a lot of us have been in this quarantine for like 1 month, 2 months. It's been 2.5 almost for me. And I've realized that I've been putting off a lot of things that I want to do because I'm either scared or like I just don't know how to start things. That's one of my biggest things about myself, that I was like, I don't like to start things. I like to do the middle and finish it and be done with it, but I don't like to start. So I have been watching a lot of YouTube videos and like doing a lot of self-reflecting during this quarantine time. And I've been really loving this lady's videos, and she's really inspired me. Sorelle Amore. I've been watching a lot of her videos, and she's really inspired me to just let go of things that I don't like or that don't bring me joy. And one thing she did that I loved was she cleaned out her closet. And I have so many clothes, way too many clothes that one person needs, honestly. And I don't wear half of it. I know a lot of you guys probably do the same thing, and it just bugs me to look at all those clothes and like, I don't feel comfortable in them. They don't make me happy. They don't bring me joy, like she said. So I felt inspired today because I bought some clothes online and they fit me so good. And I'm like, oh, feeling it, feeling good, rocking it. So I wanted to just film it. And finally, it's been a couple weeks, but getting better, guys. And I wanted to film it and just show you guys all the stuff I'm going to throw away to get rid of it and make me feel happier. So let's go, guys. You guys can watch me tidy out my closet. Yes, even underwear that does not make me happy, gone. So far, here is everything that I'm getting rid of. So now, onto the closet. All right, so I have a ton of stuff in my closet. I'm gonna start with my shoes and work from the back to the front. I've been wanting to get rid of these for so long. I don't know why I kept them. Thought I had to. Don't need to. I don't know about this, guys. Let's see. What should we think? Wow! Huh? Well, I must say, I like it, but it's very tight in the legs. And I have very big legs, so we'll see. I like it, but I don't know if I'll keep it. Don't know. Come on. Already off to a good start. Already getting rid of a bunch of stuff. Feeling so much better already. Yay! Well, guys, this has been going good. Coffee break. Just to show you, that little pile is now a lot bigger. Yep. Still working. So now's the fun part where I'm gonna take all my folded stuff on my top shelf and dump it on the bed and sort through it and see what I want and don't want. My Christmas leggings, these are my faves. Alright, so now I have my things sorted into piles. It's gonna look so much nicer up on top. And now this is the giant pile of stuff that doesn't make me happy. So, I am super excited that I just did that. Now I gotta put these back. I have an idea. 1 second. So, I have brought with me a chair so I can get up here easier.
I'm sorry.
I think that is it for the chair. I just have to tell you guys that felt great. And I feel so much better now that my closet is cleaned up. Only had 2 cups of coffee and took me about 2 hours, but feeling is worth it, guys. Trust me. Alright guys, so I have to say that now that I totally got rid of everything that I didn't like out of my closet, I love looking in my closet. It looks so clean and nice, and it's only things that I like, that like make me happy and that I actually want to get up and wear. Like, I hated getting up and looking at all the stuff in my closet that I didn't like, that didn't fit me right, that was kind of funky, that I just didn't like. And so, good riddance! So now I'm gonna bag this all up. I'm gonna go donate it. Obviously, I'm not gonna just throw it away. So much waste. But I'm gonna go donate it probably to Salvation Army, or where's that one place I'd like to go? Goodwill! That's the place. Or like thrift stores. I'll probably go and donate everything because it's good clothes. I'll fold it all up real nice and send it off. But guys, I have to suggest that you guys do this too. It feels like a weight is like lifted off of me from like all this stuff that I didn't like, that I didn't want, that wasn't fulfilling me or making me feel good. So I hope you guys can feel like this because it feels amazing. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.